They don't know what's going on right now. Hey, babe, hold up, hold up. I like your outfit. Hold up, hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. What? What is going on here? What is going on here? Is that the same outfit? I believe it is. Hold up, hold up. Oh, wait. I don't think they're ready for this, though. I don't think they're ready for this. Oh, snap. Look at that outfit. Look at that outfit. Hold up. They really ain't ready for this, though. Oh, snap. They ain't ready for this. They not ready for that, though.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Say what's up, Nana. Yeah, check us out. Oh, check us out. What's going on, family? So check this out. So basically, what I want to talk about right now is, yeah, you did that. What I want to talk about right now is there's a big advantage to what we're doing, guys. Like, you guys got to mentally understand this, all right? Let's say you have a job, you have a boss, you have or you have somebody buying something from you physically that sees your face, right? You own a store, anything, right? Wherever you work, anywhere. Well, people judge people, right? People can judge you because your gender, because your race. People can judge you, guys. People will judge you. Yeah, your dada. People will judge you, whether it's your gender, right? If they'll judge you for your race, you know, like black, white, Asian, you're Spanish, Hispanic, whatever, right? They will judge you because of that. Your age, maybe, you know, they wouldn't want to work with somebody of a certain age. Maybe they think maybe because you're young that you don't know anything, or if you're old you're too like slow, or you know, you can't handle, you're not as fast as a younger person would be, whatever the case may be. But people judge you guys, like, and you guys got to understand what we do. It's like, I see some of the, like, there's so many winners out there. There's so many people out there crushing it right now. But then I see sometimes, every once in a while, the people who are just not getting it, or just like complaining about the situation. Like, guys, like, you don't understand the opportunity you have, right? You have something to where there's no judging. There's no judging. Like, nobody knows, for the most part, that they're buying products that I found and I'm making money off of, right? So like, like, just hear me out, guys. Like, it could be somebody who absolutely hates African American people, and they're buying my products. And if they knew they was buying it from me, they probably wouldn't buy it. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm finding things and I'm flipping stuff, and they don't know they're buying it from an African American male, right? Fairly young. Nah, but seriously, you get what I'm saying, guys? Guys, like, you have to stop complaining about the circumstances that we have. Like, we are in the best era right now. We are in the best era where you can actually make money without anybody knowing who you are, having to know your age, your race, your nationality, whatever the case may be. They don't need to know any of that, right? It's fair game for everybody. And if you're complaining about you can't make it happen, doing something like this, and it doesn't have to be just retail arbitrage, it can be anything. Retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, Shopify, private label, wholesale, anything, guys. You're absolutely crazy if you're not taking advantage of this right now, because there's no excuses. There's no excuses. I mean, literally none. If you're talking about you can't find anything in the stores, if you can't find anything in the stores in your area, well, then you gotta search online or go to a different area. Like, there's literally no excuses. Like, you don't get, like, there's no one that can judge you. There's no one that's gonna say, oh, you can't make this much money on Amazon because you're a woman. You know what I mean? Or you can't make this much money on Amazon because you're young, or you're old, you know, or you're this color, right? So there's no excuses, guys. Like you gotta take it. Yeah, that's right. Tell them. Yeah, tell them. You gotta take full advantage of that, guys. Like, take full advantage of that, because nobody cares, man. Nobody, I'm telling you right now, nobody cares about your circumstances. Nobody cares about your problems. Like, I mean, and I'm saying that not in a mean way, guys. Like, because yeah, obviously, you know, I care about if somebody's doing bad. Like, I don't like when somebody's doing bad that I know or I love. You know, I want to help them. But in the long, in the bigger picture, nobody really cares about what's going on in your life. You know, it's a selfish world. Everybody cares about what's going on in their own lives. Like, you know what I mean? But before anyone else's, even if you're a caring person, like, even if you're a caring person, I guarantee if you're a caring person and you have kids, you care about your kids first and then somebody else. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, if you're complaining or sad or upset that you know you can't make it happen, or you saying you can't make it happen, no one cares. They're just gonna the people that can make it happen is just gonna walk over you, and they're gonna make it happen, guys. There's absolutely no excuses, man. Like, there's no excuses, like, right now. So I mean, I just had to make this video because, you know, I see people saying, some people, like a very small amount, saying that like they can't do it, or they quit retail arbitrage, or they quit Amazon, or whatever the case may be, because of this or because of that. Like, legit, guys, I'm telling you right now, you're just quitters. Like, I mean, that's just what you are. And I'm not saying that to be mean or you know, trying to call you out your name or anything like that, but that's what you are if you quit. You know what I mean? On anything. You probably quit on a lot of things if you quit on. Thank you, mama. This is my baby. This is my baby. You're just probably a quitter, or you're probably lazy, or whatever the case may be. And I mean, I even have a little bit of laziness in me at times, but I don't quit. I'm not a quitter though. Not by a long shot, guys. We live in an era, guys. I'm telling you right now. Imagine if our great grandmothers or grandfathers, whatever the case may be, had the opportunity we have now. Like, you know, where mines were probably slaves. You know, well, not probably, they were slaves, great grandmas and grandpas. Like, if they had the opportunity I had right now, guys, like, our ancestors would be like rich. If it was as easy as it is now for our ancestors, oh my God, right now they're probably looking at us and laughing. Like, if you're complaining, if you're saying, oh, I can't find anything to sell on them. Like, are you serious? When they had to probably, like, you know what they had to do? Like, it was before, like, guys, come on, like, cars and, like, you know, back when people were riding on horses and cattle. You know what I mean? Like, it's ridiculous to see people complain right now. Like, it's crazy with everything we have, even YouTube, guys, Amazon. Like, you can make money from home. Like, there's a million ways to do it. You can start your own company. You can start your own LLC in literally an hour, less than an hour online. Legal Zoom. You can start your own LLC, guys. You can come up with any idea you want and make it and put it into play like immediately. That's the era we live in. They couldn't do this back in the day. You know how it used to be to start an LLC? You had to get, like, oh my God, you had to get, like, lawyers, and you had to, like, fill out the paperwork. It was ridiculous. And now it's in 2 seconds. It's in 2 seconds, like, legit, you can start one right now. You can start 100 of them right now if you wanted to. It's incredible, guys. And to see people complain about, like, oh, Amazon's too hard, or I couldn't do this, or, dude, I'm telling you right now, you are doomed. You are doomed if you are complaining like that. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter your race. It doesn't matter your gender. It doesn't matter, guys. And the only thing that matters is how hard you go. That's the only thing that matters, guys. And if you don't go hard, then you won't make no money. And if you go hard, then you will make a lot of money. You know, it just depends on how you want to do it. Like, if you want to do it, like, casually, then make some casual money. It's all up to you guys. But there is no, like, it's not like I'm lucky, like Lavar's lucky, or anybody else you see on YouTube is lucky. It's just that they're just pursuing it and just keep on. They just keep on rocking, guys. Because legit, if you look at some of the people who sell on Amazon, I mean, look at me, right? Look at me, look at my face, and look who I am and how crazy I am, right? And then look at someone like the Bearded Picker, right? It's a total, it's like night and day personality, night and day, like, it's ridiculous, right? But no, like, it's like judgment free, guys. It's all up to you. It's all up to what you want to do, guys. Yeah, huh? Yeah. You my baby. Oh, I love my daughter. Look, she's so pretty. Oh my God. I know this was a bit of a rant, but I need to start talking to you guys about stuff like this. I need to start talking to you guys about this. I need to start, like, you know, giving you guys my brain and helping you guys out mentally, because I see a lot of people struggling there. Like, it's everything with anything you do. It's the first thing is mental, guys. With anything you do, like, you want to be the greatest artist in the world. It starts up here first, guys. So at the end of the day, I'm gonna start helping you guys with this type of stuff. For those of you, I'm gaining a lot of new subscribers. You know, welcome to the fam. Like, honestly, guys, for those of you that need to know exactly how to do this retail arbitrage stuff, and you need to know, you know, how, like, the step-by-step stuff, I always leave the links to all of those videos in the description. So, you know, for anybody new who's subscribing, because we're gaining new fam every single day. It's awesome. Just go down in the description. There's the step-by-step how to send your products into Amazon, and there's also the everything you need to sell on Amazon, as well as I'm gonna add a few more videos down there, and that's like the BSR video, because that's been a request, and like the how to, you know, the certain things, like certain key videos I'm gonna link in the description. So if you see any of my videos now and you know you just want to know how to get started, and you know I'm not really talking about it right now because I've talked about it many times in other videos, just check the links in the description, guys, and yeah, go check those videos out. I'm quite sure those will help you. Actually, I'm 100% guaranteed sure those will help you get started and get some money, and then from there, you know, take off, do whatever you want to do with your money. I mean, it's up to you. Okay, you see I'm kicking it with my daughter. You see we rocking. Yeah, say what's up, Nana. Don't grab the camera. Say what's up. Yeah. Alright, guys. Make sure if you're not family yet that you hit the subscribe button. It's a button that looks like this. It's this color. You see what we rocking? It's red. Alright, and tap that bell to get notified when I upload, because I will be uploading all the time, and I'm just gonna start helping my family. I gotta get you guys. I gotta get my family's mind right. You see how I'm always crazy and happy? It's because my mental is right, guys, and partially it's because of those green juices too. So get your smoothie game up. All right, guys. Peace and love. I am out. Say bye bye, Nana. Say see you later. Say see you later. Say see you later. See ya.